Hi guys! So nandito kami ngayon sa El Nido, Palawan and today nga ay mag-tour kami and napili naming tour package is Tour D and nag-book nga pala kami ng tour sa Spider Travel and Tours and ayan, nag-aantay na lang kami ng mga kasama namin pero ready na rin yung bangka namin. So, tara na, akit na tayo.
Okay, ma'am and sir. So, excuse me everyone. So, before you continue, I will give some information regarding about island hopping tours. Okay? So, today we're going of Tour D, right? Tour D. Tour D, we have to 5 destination. They have a Small Lagoon, Cadlaw Lagoon, Pasandigan Cove. They have a Serenity and Paradise Beach.
So guys, 30 to 45 minutes ang travel time galing sa sinakay natin kanina going to our first destination which is the Small Lagoon. So guys, dito na kami sa aming first destination which is the Small Lagoon. So of course, ito ang malit na version ng Big Lagoon. At dito, walang ibang choice or let's say required ang mag-rent ng kayak para makapunta doon sa pinakamagandang spot sa gitna. So 300 pesos for 2, tapos kapag tatlo naman kayo, that's 500 pesos. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman pumasok sa loob at ayaw nyong mag-kayak, pwedeng mag-swimming lang dito. Second destination guys, Serenity Beach. So, eto daw talaga yung lunch area. Kaya naman, yung food namin nandoon na sa baba, yung mga kasama namin nandoon na rin siya. So, medyo maliit lang yung space dito sa Serenity Beach. Mapapansin nyo. Pero marami namang tao dito. So, pwede dito mag-swimming. Sa medyo malayo lang na area, pwede rin naman mag-snorkeling. So, yun. Serenity Beach, dito talaga ang lunch area ng ibang boat. Depende sa tour operator nyo. So guys, yung lunch namin today is inihaw na isda. Ang sarap. Meron kami ditong hipon, pakbet, chicken fritada, I think, pansit, at meron kaming fruits, pakwan, at pineapple. So, kain na na! So guys, welcome to our third destination. Welcome to Cadlaw Lagoon. Sobrang ganda. Ang activity dito, kayaking. So kailangan nyo ring mag-kayak, mag-rent ng kayak galing dito, papunta doon sa loob, tapos pwedeng umikot. Pero kami, dumaan lang kami talaga saglit dito. So for picture taking lang kasi sobrang ganda ng view.
Sunrise painting gold across the sky. Road ahead is open, dreams are by my side. Every step's a story, waiting to be told. With the world before me, the journey will unfold on the road where the rivers flow through the towns and mountains. High we go every mile, a memory to keep. Travel life is simple, bright and sweet. Ocean breeze and laughter in the air. Every place we wander, love is always there. Moments turn to treasures, shining in the day.
Guys, welcome to our last destination, the Pasandigan Island and Wonderland Resort. So dito meron silang resto bar, pwede kayong umorder ng food, ng drinks, also meron silang accommodation. And eto na nga yung pinaka-highlight sa place na to, sa resort na to. Ito yung mga nakikita ko talaga sa TikTok, sa social media. Ang tinatawag nilang Moana. So dito naman ang kanilang swimming area. And pasok tayo, let's see kung ano pa nga bang meron doon. Let's go!
Okay, so Mommy Sir, thank you so much and welcome to our last stop, El Nido Town. Of course, Mommy Sir, thank you so much on behalf of our company, Spider Traveling Tours, me, my co-tour guide, our captain. Let's just say thank you so much. I hope you enjoy today. Everybody enjoy!
Yeah!
Of course, Mommy Sir, thank you so much. Before you go down, reminders, double check all everything before you go down. And Mommy Sir, they have a trip advisor and of course Facebook page Spider Traveling Tours. If you want, they have friends you can encourage. We come here, so thank you so much for really appreciated. Thank you so much and once again.
So that's it guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-island hopping dito. And ayan, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasi syempre ibang islands na naman pinuntahan namin since El Nido Tour din naman ang pinili namin this time. So if you're planning to visit El Nido, mag-island hopping, pwede po kayong mag-book sa Spider Travel and Tours. Located po yung kanilang office dito sa El Nido, Palawan, sa Hama Street, Barangay Masagana, El Nido, Palawan. Highly recommended ko po ang Spider Travel and Tours. Yan lang!